Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about clutter everywhere. Whew. I don't know if you remember that from when you were a kid in school where we studied the tale of the ancient mariner where it was water everywhere and all the boards do shrink. Well, instead we're saying clutter everywhere, and boy, don't it stink. It stinks to have clutter. So let's get rid of the clutter. Let's get rid of the clutter. And how do you get rid of the clutter? You don't work 6 hours at a time, or 4 or 2 even. You work 15 minutes at a time. At the most 1 hour if you're a payroll homemaker and you do it on Saturday. And you work in little bites and you stay in one place and you set a timer and you have a bag, a box, and a basket for throw away, give away, put away. And you put your nose to the grindstone and you don't answer your phone and you plant your kids somewhere and you get to work. And slowly but surely you will chip away at it. Dripping of water wears away stone. Make it a great day.